Hey guys, right now I am just going to take my dog on a walk. Ooh, baby. See? Untangle your arm, Ruby. Let me untangle you. You're so dumb. Over here. Come on. Let me untangle your arm. Okay, no. Ruby, this way. Ruby, come this way. Okay. We are going on a walk. I'm excited. So, I'm just gonna go to like the park, play for a little bit, put it on the slide. Yeah. Let's go, come on. Okay. So we have the park right across the street that we're gonna go to. Ruby, watch out for bikers. And we are just going, go! Come on! We are just going over to, play for a little bit maybe. I don't know. Come on! You're so dumb. Come on. And yeah, just go down to the park, that kind of stuff. But here's the catch. I don't know if anything would happen. What am I thinking? Nothing's gonna happen. I'm just going down to the park. What could happen? Going down to a simple park. Seriously, bro. But yeah, anyway. So, going down to Pluto's Park, right there, right across from my house. And it's already 2 minutes long. Come on. And we are just, there's so much people around. Stop. And garage sale. I did not bring my wallet with me. But yeah. Hi. So, park, you're almost here. Yeah. Comment down what I should do on my next video. Because I really need some ideas. So, yeah. Left, right. Come on, let's go. Yeah. And I'm almost there. I'm really excited. I'm all by myself. Luckily, I don't have any annoying parents with me. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, but it's true. If you're watching this. Yeah. We are about to cross over to go to the park. I don't know. Ruby, no. Okay, let's cross. Ruby, come on, let's cross. Left, right. Come on, hurry, come on. Yeah, and so we have made it. They really, grew the grass and remodeled it. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I think this is Heroes Park. Oh, no, it's not Heroes Park. Oh my gosh, Ruby. The leash is... That's so sorry. Ah! Let me come back. Fix your feet. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh no, Ruby, stay out of there. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. But yeah. So, yeah, oh my god. So, I'm just walking in the grass, barefoot. Oh wait, never mind. Forgot to put shoes on. Yeah. So, gotta be back at 4 o'clock. So, Come on. Oh, yeah. So, I really gotta pee. Anyway. Dude, you're gonna poop on your leash. Oh my gosh, Ruby. Good girl. Let's go play at the park. Come on. Come on, Ruby. Let's go. Stop. Can I go pause?